Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hi, today on Get Veganized we're going to make some vegan blue cheese dressing. Alright, let's get started. Okay, to start this recipe out, I'm going to use 2 cloves of garlic. And the reason why my garlic looks like this is because I freeze it. Now we're going to add a half cup of vegan mayonnaise. Now we're going to add a half teaspoon of agave syrup. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of tahini. Now we're going to put it in the blender and blend it up. Now we're going to put it in a bowl and add some capers. Here I have about a tablespoon, a little less than a tablespoon of capers. I'll dump those in and stir it up. So this is my version of a creamy blue cheese. You have the little pieces that look like blue cheese in there. Now you can add some tofu crumbles to make it kind of chunky, but this is the way I like it. And there you have it. Creamy, vegan blue cheese. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.